A guy got $165 million after selling his company. He invested all those money into different businesses. And he started living in a rented house. Only a crazy person will do something like this, right? Because any normal person would spend all the money on big houses and luxury cars. That crazy person was none other than Elon Musk, who is currently the owner of many big companies like Tesla and SpaceX. His net worth is now approximately $19.7 billion. This all happened only because of his madness and dedication. Because, you need to be crazy if you want to be different than everybody. Only 1 in a million has such craziness and dedication. And only those can do something like that. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers. Everybody laughed at her for her ideas. But she didn't give up. Her stubbornness led her to become one of the richest authors of all time. Her Harry Potter series books are one of the highest-selling books. A man left a high-paying job to start a business in his garage. Now he is known as the wealthiest person on the planet, Jeff Bezos. There is another such crazy story of a person named Dasharat Moji. His wife died after an accident due to not receiving immediate medical care, as there were no nearby hospitals in his village. Because there was a huge mountain between the city and his village. So, he converted his anger and sorrow into stubbornness. And he carved a path 110 meters long deep through a mountain, using only a hammer and chisel. If this isn't craziness, then what is? And this type of dedication only happens when you feel completely broken. Some people use their sorrow to mourn. And some people use it as a motivation. And those people are unstoppable. It's madness when everyone is planning a trip. And one guy is planning to build his empire. When everybody wants a job. Some think of giving jobs. And only such a crazy person grows up to become Bill Gates and Steve Jobs. Such people are always hungry for success. They never get satisfied. That same madness and dedication don't let sleep. They might fail 1,000 times. But they will always keep trying. Until they get what they want. And only those will make history. And only because of this madness and never giving up. Such people brighten the world with their work. Yes, I am talking about Thomas Edison, who invented the first ever electric light bulb. A 65-year-old man, who was always rejected thousands of times in his life. But he didn't give up. And he started selling fried chicken at the age of 65. That man was Colonel Sanders. Today his business is known as KFC. That madness is the only thing that pushes normal humans to do some abnormal things. So, whatever you want to do, whatever you love, keep doing it and be crazy about it. And give your 100% in it. And you